I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and I'm here with tip number 5 out of 15 tips to make you a better cook. Tip number 5 is read the recipe all the way through. Reading a recipe before cooking or baking is an important step that can save you time, prevent mistakes, and ensure successful results. Recipes provide a detailed list of ingredients and instructions, and reading them through thoroughly can help you gather all necessary ingredients, equipment, and tools before starting to cook. This can prevent interruptions during the cooking process, like you're making black bean chili, but you don't have any black beans. Also, reading a recipe can help you understand the cooking method, temperature, and timing needed for each step, so that you don't try to make a 4-hour recipe in an hour. Reading the recipe all the way through ensures your success, and I promise you'll have more fun. We have all sorts of recipes to read and tips to help you in the cooking club. Please visit BonicelliCookingClub.com, grab some free recipes when you sign up for our email list, and please join.